Hey guys, I'm going to teach you a little bit today about muscle soreness and why you feel sore after you go to the gym. And I think it's fairly appropriate because I actually went to the gym this morning and I'm already starting to feel sore. So I learned a whole lot in researching the information for this video. So muscle soreness will show up a few days after exercising, but it's completely normal. So it happens in nearly everyone that works out, and it's usually a good sign because it shows that fitness is improving. So muscles feel sore after exercising because they are required to work harder than they are used to, or it's also possible that they are required to work in a different way. The pain results from microscopic damage to the muscle fibers, which causes them to be sore and stiff. The pain is a result of inflammation. Inflammation is the way that the body responds or handles an injury. As part of the repair and recovery process, immune cell production increases. Immune cells produce substances that make nerve endings in the body more sensitive. When you move, these nerves send signals to the brain, which then creates the perception of soreness or pain. The nerve fibers that transmit the pain are located in the connective tissue found between the muscle fibers, as well as the junction between the muscle and the tendon. Thus, the source of pain appears to be from the connective tissue that helps to bind muscle fibers together rather than the actual muscle fiber cells themselves. So I'm not going to go into the full step-by-step method of muscle contraction, as it's rather lengthy and quite technical. However, it is important to note that through a series of chemical reactions, actin and myosin link together to form cross bridges, and actin filaments are pulled towards the center of the sarcomere, which pulls the cross bridges and ultimately increases the overlap of thin and thick filaments. It's also possible that substrate shortage is one of the causes of metabolic muscle fatigue. Substrates are depleted during exercise, which results in a lack of intracellular energy sources that fuel contractions. So the muscle stops contracting because it ultimately lacks the energy to do so after substrates have been depleted. Many people actually think that the pain and soreness is due to a buildup of lactic acid in the muscles. Lactic acid can cause an intense burning. It's not the cause for the soreness after working out because the lactic acid is eliminated from the blood in just a few moments. So one of the best ways to prevent muscle soreness is to start the new activity program gradually and gently. This is going to allow the muscle time to adapt to the new movements.